This is why you need to eat guava every day. What is a guava? Guavas are tropical superfruit originating in Central America. The scientific name of guava is Psyllium gojava. They are oval or pear in shape with light green or yellow skin and contain edible seeds. Guavas have sweet or tangy flavor depending on what ripening stage they are at. Its flesh is white, pink or maroon depending on which variety it is. Guavas are native to Mexico and South America. Guava is not only delicious, they have so many potential health benefits of guava include its ability to help in preventing cancer, regulating blood pressure and treating diarrhea. It also aids in weight loss, improves the skin, treats cough and cold, constipation and scurvy. It is one of the least chemically treated and sprayed fruits. Guavas can be eaten raw but may be cooked for preparation of jam. This can be processed in making of juice. Nutritional facts. This powerful fruit is packed with many nutrients. Guava is a good source of energy, dietary fiber and vitamins such as vitamin A, C, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, thiamine and riboflavin. It also contains essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron and potassium. Health benefits of guava. Prevents cancer. It has most important benefits in the prevention of cancer because guavas are packed full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants such as vitamin C, riboflavin and thiamine. Guavas can be useful in inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells, prevent tumor growth, manage diabetes. The regular intake of guava can also help patients suffering from diabetes. High level of dietary fiber helps to lower blood glucose levels in the body. Some research shows that eating guavas can help to prevent appearance of type 2 diabetes. Regulating blood pressure. Guava helps to reduce cholesterol in the blood and prevents it from thickening, thereby maintaining the fluidity of blood and reducing blood pressure. Guavas are hypoglycemic and can be very helpful in regulating adequate blood flow throughout the body. Thyroid health. Guavas are good source of copper, which is important for regulating metabolism by helping to control hormone production and absorption. Guavas help the body to maintain a healthy metabolic rate. It also affects the overall thyroid health positively. Weight loss. Guava is very helpful for people who want to lose weight without compromising their intake of proteins, vitamin and fiber. Guava is treated as healing snack between meals is necessary for weight loss. The dietary fiber can help to keep the stomach full for a long time. For skin, the vitamins and minerals present in guava helps skin by improving in anti-aging properties, improves skin complexion, improves skin texture, and help to keep looking younger. Side effects of eating guava. Although guava has many health benefits, it also has side effects on health. Mainly for pregnant women, breastfeeding mother must avoid over intake of guavas. Other than this, guava has no side effects if it is taken in moderation of original fruit. Conclusion. Guavas are nutritionally rich with multiple benefits for people suffering from various diseases. The regular consumption of this fruit can prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.